Hey everyone, here is a short little video about this stainless steel pet water fountain. So I'll show you what you actually receive and then give you my thoughts. So here's the box that you'll receive. Let's open this up. Okay, so here is the stainless steel water fountain. You're going to get looks like this little charging adapter. And here is the cord. Actually, not a charging adapter. This is the power adapter because this plugs in and remains on, so there isn't a battery. We have this little spigot or spout. Here is the top, which is removable. It's like inside you get a little setup guide. And right down underneath here is the pump. Here's like a little filter. And then you also receive this little filter, which installs right in here, just like that. So the pump is going to pump the water through, and the water is going to go down and then be continuously filtered. So let's install the little spout here. So you just insert that right into this little slot right there, and then it's ready to go. So I'll fill this up with some water and then show you how it works. Okay, so here we are. We're going to fill this up. It does have little markings on the inside here where the max level line is and then the minimum. Put some water in here. And then let's turn this on and see how it works. Okay, it looks like we're right just above the minimum. Top installs on the top really easily. Let's plug this in. And there it goes. This fountain is really well made. It's so easy to put together. I'm pretty sure your cats are going to love this. Highly recommended.